Hi everyone, this is your final reminder about end of semester deadlines and the final exam. I want you to listen to very closely and carefully. First, all coursework must be completed and submitted by the final Friday at 5 p.m. of finals week. That deadline is coming very fast, and so plan your time right now. Second, the capstone modules are open. If you haven't started, start. If you're behind, prioritize what earns the most points and move forward. Now for the final exam, if you're a in-person class, your final exam is in person on the scheduled first class of the week. That will probably be Monday. If you're only meeting once a week on Wednesdays, then it will be on Wednesday. Check your schedule and the announcement specific to your class. Now, this is high stakes, closed book, closed note, no outside materials allowed final exam. So make sure you arrive on time. Late arrivals will not be allowed into the testing area. If you're doing it online, make sure you have your webcam, you have your proctor stuff set up, you're not using other tabs, you don't have any notes available or anything you're looking at, and you're only looking at the screen. Now, Blackboard access will automatically close at 5 p.m. on Friday of finals week. When it closes, the course is done, it's done. I'll begin submitting final grades immediately after the course closes. So, final reminders. No late work. Anything not submitted by that deadline is a 0, and the course cannot be reopened after the deadline. So here's your chance. Finish strong, stay focused, prepare for the final, and handle your submissions early so you don't create a last-minute problem for yourself. I've enjoyed having you in the class, guys. Jump in and do that last bit of work. Bye, guys.